We're going on a trip in your favorite Jeep. We're taking my Jeep and we are going on a road trip for 7 or 8 days. We're going to start in Texas because we're from Texas. And then we're going to go down to New Orleans. We're going to try some amazing food. We're going to walk around and I'm going to live out my vampire originals dreams here, okay? If I could go to Georgia and live out the Vampire Diary dreams, I would. But don't judge. Don't judge. So we're going to go there, spend a few hours there, and then we're going to get back in the car. We're going to drive to Destin. We're going to check out the beach there. We're going to eat a little. We're going to stay the night there. And then we're going to get back in the car and we're going to drive all the way down Florida to visit my aunt and uncle who just built a home there. Now, I don't know what we're going to do from Destin to there, but I'm sure there's going to be plenty to see and do. We're going to take our time and just enjoy our time as a family because this is a trip that none of us have experienced before. We've never been to New Orleans, Destin, any of that stuff, so we're excited to do it as a family. Now, I've already packed my daughter Bella's suitcase, duffel bag. Is there really a difference? I don't know. I don't know when you're packed. I forgot to film it this way, and I only filmed it this way, so it's going to be on shorts. Now, I'm going to do my best to film everything twice, so if you want to watch it all at once, you can on here, or you can go to my shorts and see it in clips. There might be some differences. I'm not sure yet. But now I have to pack mine, and we're leaving, like, today, tomorrow. Morning. Is it still gonna be today or is it gonna be tomorrow? We're leaving early in the morning. So we're leaving early in the morning tomorrow and I have to get us packed. So come along as I scramble to pack my suitcase, my husband's suitcase, our swim bag, and all our toiletries. Let's go. We're in my closet because we are packing. I don't know what to pack. I don't know what to pack. I'm so torn. Okay. So I think my first outfit is going to be this. Maybe I shouldn't do this in the closet. Maybe I should lay them out. This for a night out? I'm not sure. Pretty sure I just got paper cut in my... I made a list of everything I need to pack. This is basically the same stuff I have to pack in every one of them. But this list was for Bella, but I'm gonna kind of like guide myself so I can remember like exactly what is needed. Do you guys get new loofahs every time you guys go on vacation? I always get new ones in case we forget them. And I also get us new toothbrushes so that if we forget them, it's not a big deal. I don't care. I just feel like it's a mess. Toiletries are going to be basically the same aside from my makeup. Although my 3rd grader packed her own makeup to go. Our last road trip, I picked these up on Amazon. This is my set, and then Bella has like this cutesy one. I like neutrals. It makes my brain like chill. I get overwhelmed very easily, and when I get overwhelmed I kind of shut down. These cutesy ones, pink, peach, hot pink, and yellow. She loves them. So I also get these facial scrubbers for a trip. But let's get back to the clothes. This got overwhelming very quickly, and I have to fit all of this into this bag aside from the toiletries because we're going to put the toiletries in our swim bag so they're easy to get to. Cubes, I've never used these before, but only because I ordered them before our last road trip and we haven't gone on a trip since, and these came after we left. So I don't know if these actually work. Don't really get it. I don't know if they're all gonna fit. I don't know if it makes more room or if it's just one of those clickbait things, but we're gonna give it a go. I'm only taking 3 pairs of shoes. I'm taking these ones because these are my new ones, because I had to throw my favorite ones away because, and then I'm gonna take a black sandal and these brown ones. These are both from Walmart. I love Walmart sandals. Let's go. Let's see if I can make this work. If this video is weird to you guys, it's because I don't normally do long content, and it's something that I'm trying out to see how it goes. I don't even know if you guys want it. I asked you guys on my community if you guys did, and you said yes, bring it on. And this is gonna be the first one. So if you're like, this lady doesn't know how to film, that's why, because I've only done shorts. Now we're only going for 8 days. However, with that being said, I always pack a few extra outfits because you never know. Accidents happen. You might be, I don't know, fall into a puddle of mud or spill a drink. So I like to go prepared and have a couple extra outfits just in case. And I was zipping this up. I really thought it was going to tear. And I absolutely knew deep down this was not going to work. There was just no possible way. I found a suitcase. It's still really small, so let's see if this works. See, I mean, this isn't actually going in there, so we might be able to pull this off. This is not including my pillowcase. And all of the outfits on. So let's see. Now I am gonna put this dress in here. Maybe I'm packing this wrong. I don't know. A brown belt and a black belt. I'm also adding my sunglasses just in case. Look, never used it and it already has a rip, so that's good. We're adding both of our sandals because I'm gonna wear my tennis shoes. Really? Our socks and these. Now do you guys think this is gonna close? Let's see. I don't think it's gonna close. Wait till my husband sees this. He's gonna tell me I talk too much. Well, we did it. Now on to the husband's. Now I actually just laid everything out for him so he could decide what he really wanted, and then we packed it up last night and I did not film it. Now it's time to pack up our skincare makeup bag, I guess is what you would call it. I've had this bag for so long. It's from BoxyCharm. I got everything. Everything I'm gonna be taking, and we're gonna pack it. You're gonna see how I film it. And no, this is not my music of a choice. Bella's doing her homework and she's listening to her music in the background. I'm golden. I love this stuff. This is the only thing that can make my face literally feel so smooth. Highly, 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 highly recommend. This already. Let's keep going. This is literally my go-to right now. Actually, my favorite mascara. I don't know if you can even see it. This is actually my favorite mascara. However, it was a sample. And I never restocked it. And I'm actually going to throw this in too. Sorry from my packing videos.
Mom?
Yeah, baby.
I just need how, like, with this one, because I forgot how to tell a clock. for some reason.
No, that's okay. Remember, the little hand is going to tell you what number. Yes, and the big hand is going to tell you the make it when it's at the 6.
6 minutes?
No. Okay, so what number? Let's do the small one first. Okay, so where are we going? 1, 2.
10, 15.
No, we're not counting 5s. We're counting 1s, baby.
Oh.
So start here. 1,
2, 3.
and it's kind of in the middle, right? That's an indicator that it's going to be set for half. So let's start here. 5,
10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So what time is it?
30, 03, 36, 36.
Take a breath. Let's use your overlay. All right. We know this is 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's count again.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So what time is it?
3:30?
Good job.
I was guessing really.
You did good.
Now I'm gonna go back to my music.
I guess I'm going to put this into my suitcase because I don't know. Because I don't think that's going to fit.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Let me see.
It's with the number line.
All these number lines. All right, let me see.
I hate them.
I know.
I can't see the number line for Dad.
Okay, no. We can try it. Abby spent 22 minutes working on her science project yesterday and 34 minutes working on it today. How many minutes did Abby spend on her science project altogether? Model the problem on the number line and write an equation to solve. If you guys know the answer, let me know in the comments. I think that we should start by taking 22 plus 34 because it's 2 days worth of time, right? So why don't you do 22 plus 34 and then we'll do the number line, okay? Mm-hmm. So write 22 plus 34. Also going to be my perfume of choice. She picked out her makeup that she wants to take with her. Yes, she is 8, and yes, she is my mini-me, and yes, she does want her own makeup bag off at Amazon, by the way. Greasy blush palettes. And I mean, she goes hardcore on this. Can you see that? Like, she really loves her makeup. If it's a basic colors, that's what is approved. She's got some deodorant going in here. This is her favorite perfume. She got this as a gift. It's called Thinking of You, and it's by Mary Kay, but she's obsessed with this. Too bad I can't find it. She loves e.l.f. Well, she loves it because that's what I buy her. So I think we only have a couple more things to pack, and then the next time I see you guys, it will be on the road. How exciting is that? Bella's little bag full of all of her stuff. She's got her wallet with money, some cute lip balm. Okay, so my camera died, but I wanted to show you really quick what I packed. And if you want to see like the whole video, go over to shorts because I'm going to have it over there so that you can see it. So I got my toothbrush, toothpaste, some jewelry. And here I got brushes, combs, hair stuff, a loofah, all the things. And in here I have hair ties and all that stuff. And that's literally it, guys. So I think that's it. I hope you guys like this first long content video, and come back because the next one is going to be full of all the amazing stops we make on our way to Florida. If you like this video, you want to see more, and you want to see how our trip goes, go ahead and follow us, like this one, comment if you know the math question, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.